Wave to the camera, everybody.
No, don't wave. Bathroom. Bathroom. Shower. Sink. Kitchen. Full kitchen with a full-size fridge. Not one of those lame-ass.
College.
But here's the kicker here's the kicker in this room. The safe.
Yes, safe. Just safe.
Then we got a marsupial laying on the bed flipping people off. I can monetize the middle finger on YouTube, so that's gonna definitely going on
Let
YouTube.
me get you some more money.
There you go. Now I can't monetize it because that you doubled up.
You're now number one.
This bathroom's got 2 doors. One to our bedroom, one to the kitchen.
Hello.
Hello. All right. And tonight, if Andrew gets really drunk, he'll be knocking on that door.